Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to my channel Golden Nanotech. Today I come back with another video how to install Windows 11 or upgrade your computer or upgrade the Windows. So first you have to go in the description and take the link to download the ISO file Windows 11, or go to the Google Chrome or any internet browser and copy the paste and open. And guys, see, here is the direct download tooling, Google Drive and Mega. So you can download from any website you want. Just click and download ISO file. After download, if you install with your USB drive, if you delete your all the files and go to download this refus file, also link in the description. Download this refus software from Google, and you have to download the VirtualBox. If you install with VirtualBox, you download this VirtualBox link in description. Here is the download, and download Windows host, and you can see here is the I have already downloaded, and just download it and open this VirtualBox and next install, next, yes, install. And you have to install this software VirtualBox. After install, just click here yes, and you can see it is installing. Install. This VirtualBox is cool for install Windows, and you can remove it easily. So guys, I have already installed the VirtualBox. So guys, now I go to the new and type here Windows 11 and just simply click next. And here I have 16 GB RAM, so I make it 8 GB and next and create. Okay guys, just create, click create, and here is Windows on. Go to settings and go to the system and go to the processor and make it automatic, CPU 4 or storage. And go to the storage and see here is a simply empty, and go this disk icon and choose the creation virtual disk, add disk, go to desktop, and here is the ISO file, select it and choose, and here is okay, cancel, and now you can click start. Now we'll start your Windows. Start. So this way you can install Windows on your computer using this virtual machine. And guys, because I have already installed Windows 11 on this system, that's why it's not working. So here you can see the cool looks. It's Windows 11, and you can see all in this Windows. Here you can see in the down, it's look cool. Here is the settings, all. Here is the power option, you can power restart, shut down. And guys, here's look like before all the Windows 10 is all system look Windows 10, but the here setting storage. This thing is very cool, and you can change the color, you can change everything you want. Background color, here is the cool color, you can change it. And lock screen, here is the lock screen, you can change it also. Okay, you can put in the picture. And themes, you can change the themes, anything. Here is the theme, here is the dark, here is the light, here is the glow. Okay guys, you can see the themes. It's changing the themes, see, it's cool things also. It's look very cool. So guys, another way you can install Windows 11. So you need a flash drive. You need a 16 GB flash drive. So guys, how to make a bootable USB? I have a SanDisk is 8 GB USB drive, so I just plug it in the computer. Wow, it's a cool sound. And see guys, here is the refus. I open the software. Yes, and here is the selection. Go to the desktop. I have the file in desktop and select it, and just simply click start. And warning, delete everything. Okay, and now it's creating the bootable USB Windows 11 on the SanDisk. How fast is depending on your computer speed. So all this you can find in the description below. There is the link in description, I will put, and you can download it from there. Hey guys, see 60% complete, so wait to finish 100%, and you can use that USB install directly Windows 11 any computer. Okay guys, flash is ready to done, and now I restart my computer. This is HP laptop, so I restart and I press the F9. And guys, this is HP laptop. I press F9 for the Windows boot menu, and here you can see the boot menu, OS boot, and hard disk USB, the second one UF SanDisk. So I press this enter and see what is the result. It is loading, and see guys, it's loading Windows now. And select language, yes, next, install. And guys, I accept and next, and you can see in the down, install Windows only. It's same process, look like Windows 10. And see guys, here is the all partition, and this laptop is Windows original, is 256 GB SSD M.2. Here is the original Windows recovery. So if you install Windows like this, you have to delete all the partition, and after that make a new partition, and then press next, and it will be installed. After finish install, open the Windows. So I have already installed it, just Windows 11 in this laptop, so I don't want to delete my files. I just show you guys how to install. So exit and close. Yes, now is loading. My Windows 11 is opening now. So this way you can install Windows 11 new on your computer. So guys, you see fasting my laptop opening the Windows, and here is the cool things. Wow, this is a cool sound for the Windows, and it's very cool. You can change the anything, themes, or so here is the themes, and you can change the font. What you want you can install. So taskbar, here is extra things you can use here, and device user, gaming family, lock screen, themes. Here is the themes, you can change the themes. It's look like this. It's dark, it's cool also. So guys, in this refus software you can make a bootable USB pen drive, and you can install the Windows 11 on your laptop or computer PC. So thank you guys, please like, share and subscribe my channel. How to uninstall Windows 11 on your laptop? If you want, just go to the control panel and go to the uninstall programs, and here is the views install update. Here is the updating program, you can see. If you don't find, here is the uninstall, you just go to the settings. Here is the settings, and type here the system restore. Here is the backup, troubleshoot, here is the recovery, and go back the previous version Windows 10. You can see here, just go back, and it will take time, and it's just anything you type here, and next, no thanks, yes, yes, okay. It will be restored now in Windows 10 version. So guys, if you don't want Windows 11 on your laptop, you can return back in the previous version Windows 10. So see how it's processing. Now return back previous version. You see restoring your previous version of Windows. Wait and see until finish complete. Now restart computer and see the result. I hope so guys. Now open it and see guys, now is come back is Windows 10 version. The wallpaper is Windows 11, but I have returned back the Windows 10 version. This Windows 10 is come back without delete any files, without delete any settings. It's come back Windows 10. So thank you guys, please like, share and subscribe my channel for the new video, and hit the bell icon for next video notification. Thank you. And guys, finally you see the Windows 11 is on, and see guys, Here is the Windows 11, and guys, you can change the wallpaper whatever you want. You can see here the logo. Here is the start work, and here is the cool looks, the apps and icons, and you can see here documents, download, fixer, and here is the storage. The C drive is the external hard drive, and see how cool looks this Windows 11, and all the settings is look like before. And you can change here the wallpaper. This is the cool wallpaper for Windows 11, and guys, looks beautiful. Wow, so cool looks. See, all the apps is look different. So guys, in this way you can install or upgrade the Windows 11 on your system, on your computer. If your Windows is original Windows 10, so you can upgrade is Windows 11, and it is look very cool. And this same Windows 11 single language, it was the original Windows my laptop, and it still is working very good. So thank you guys. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for the new video, and I will keep the description link for download the Windows ISO file and refus and VirtualBox. Also, another way you can install the VirtualBox, the Windows 11. So watch my next video how to install Windows 11 on the VirtualBox. So thank you guys. Please stay with me and support me. Thank you so much.